Labour declared nationwide strike on Monday, 3rd June 2024 to drive home its demands. The federal government, in the national interest, convened a meeting with Labour held in the office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation on Monday, 3rd June, with a view to ending the strike. After exhaustive deliberations and engagement by both parties, the following resolutions were reached. The President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, is committed to a national minimum wage that is higher than 60,000. Arising from the above, the tripartite committee is to meet every day for the next 1 week with a view to arriving at an agreeable national minimum wage. Labour, in deference to the high esteem of the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Federal Republic of Nigeria, is committed in paragraph 3 sub 2 above, and it takes to convene a meeting of its organs immediately to consider this commitment. For no worker will be victimized as a result of the industrial actions done in Abuja on the 3rd of June 2024. This document is signed for the federal government, for the Minister of Information and National Orientation, and the Honorable Minister of State for Labor and Employment. For the organized labor, President, Nigeria Labour Congress, President, Trade Union Congress. Let me reassure Nigerians that we have had a very realistic and patriotic meeting, and the results will be very, very manifest soon. Thank you very much. National prayer. No, we need that prayer.